Hi lovelies! Let me show you how to prepare this amazing breakfast in 5 minutes. Healthy and of course absolutely delicious. To a saucepan add half teaspoon of butter and then add 5 tablespoons of rolled oats. Add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and mix together. Saute for around 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. Once it is ready, remove from the heat and set aside. Now using the same saucepan, add another half teaspoon of butter and then add some sliced bananas. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Caramelize the banana on each side. Make sure you use bananas that are very ripe, as this would add sweetness, which we love. Now once the bananas are caramelized, add the toasted oats and mix together for another 1 to 2 minutes. And voila! Breakfast is ready. I prepared this a day before and then I had it with some chia seeds and flax seeds and also yogurt. Absolutely delicious. Would you give this a try? Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.